In the vast expanse of the universe, few celestial events capture humanity's imagination like a supernova explosion. And when it involves Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star sitting prominently in the constellation of Orion, the stakes are even higher. For years, astronomers have been closely monitoring this colossal star, anticipating the moment it would reach the end of its life in a spectacular cosmic detonation. But now, the unthinkable has happened. Betelgeuse has exploded, and the aftermath is worse than anyone could have predicted. Betelgeuse, a behemoth approximately 640 light-years away from Earth, has long been a candidate for a Type II supernova, the explosive death of a massive star. Spanning nearly 1,400 times the diameter of our Sun, this star has been in its final stages for thousands of years, burning through its nuclear fuel at an astonishing rate. The explosion has unleashed unimaginable energy, radiating more light and heat in a few seconds than our Sun will emit in its entire 10-billion-year lifetime. But here's the twist. The explosion wasn't entirely predictable. Scientists had expected Betelgeuse to dim gradually before its final act, a process that would give them ample time to prepare for this cosmic event. However, Betelgeuse's explosion defied expectations, catching even seasoned astronomers off guard. A sudden and dramatic collapse of its core caused an instantaneous detonation, sending shockwaves rippling through the interstellar medium and creating a spectacle visible even to the naked eye from Earth. The immediate effects of Betelgeuse's explosion are awe-inspiring. The light from the supernova has turned night into day in some parts of the world, outshining even the full moon. For weeks, the remnants of the explosion will dominate the night sky, giving us a rare opportunity to witness the raw power of the universe. Telescopes worldwide are trained on the remnants, capturing data that will deepen our understanding of stellar evolution and cosmic phenomena. But beyond the light show, there's a darker side to this cosmic event. The explosion has released a massive wave of high-energy particles and radiation, including gamma rays, X-rays, and cosmic rays. Although Betelgeuse's distance from Earth means that these waves pose no immediate threat to our planet, the sheer scale of the event serves as a sobering reminder of the violent forces at play in the universe. The interstellar medium surrounding Betelgeuse is now being reshaped by the blast. The shockwave from the explosion is traveling at speeds of millions of kilometers per hour, compressing and heating the gas and dust in its path. This process will trigger the formation of new stars in the distant future, as the enriched material from the supernova seeds the surrounding space with heavy elements like iron, gold, and uranium. Betelgeuse's death is, paradoxically, also the beginning of new cosmic life. But why is this explosion worse than imagined? For starters, the suddenness of the event has raised critical questions about our understanding of stellar life cycles. Betelgeuse's detonation occurred with little warning, suggesting there may be gaps in our ability to predict such events. This has significant implications for our ability to monitor other potential supernova candidates in our galaxy, especially those closer to Earth that could pose a real threat. Moreover, the energy released by Betelgeuse's explosion has disrupted the delicate balance of the local interstellar environment. The nearby star-forming regions, including the Orion Molecular Cloud Complex, are likely to experience turbulence from the shockwave. While this could lead to new stars, it might also disrupt ongoing planetary formation processes, creating chaos in the region's cosmic ecosystem. On a more immediate scale, the electromagnetic radiation from Betelgeuse's explosion has affected Earth's upper atmosphere. The sudden influx of high-energy particles has caused minor disruptions to satellite communications and navigation systems. Although the effects are temporary, they serve as a stark reminder of how interconnected our technological infrastructure is with the cosmos. The scientific community is also grappling with the sheer volume of data generated by this event. Observatories across the globe, including space-based telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, are working overtime to analyze the explosion's light curve, spectra, and afterglow. The insights gained from this data will undoubtedly revolutionize our understanding of supernovae, but they also highlight the need for better predictive models and monitoring systems. For the general public, the explosion of Betelgeuse is a moment of awe and wonder. Social media is flooded with images and videos of the supernova, as amateur astronomers and casual stargazers share their experiences of witnessing one of the most significant cosmic events of our era. Educational institutions are seizing the opportunity to engage students with real-time observations, fostering a renewed interest in astronomy and the sciences. Yet, amidst the excitement, there is an underlying sense of vulnerability. Betelgeuse's explosion serves as a stark reminder of the universe's unpredictability. While the event poses no direct threat to Earth, it underscores the fragility of our existence in a cosmos ruled by forces far beyond our control. It also raises questions about our preparedness for similar events closer to home. For example, what would happen if a supernova occurred within 100 light-years of Earth? The consequences could be devastating, from mass extinctions to disruptions of our technological infrastructure. Looking forward, Betelgeuse's explosion offers humanity a unique opportunity to learn and adapt. The data collected from this event will inform future research, helping scientists refine their models of stellar evolution and supernova mechanics. It will also drive advancements in technology, as astronomers develop more sophisticated tools to monitor and predict cosmic events. This knowledge is not just academic. It's essential for our long-term survival as a species in a dynamic and ever-changing universe. In the coming months and years, the remnants of Betelgeuse's explosion will continue to evolve, creating a nebula that will be studied for generations. This nebula, rich in heavy elements, will serve as a cosmic laboratory, offering insights into the processes that shape galaxies and, ultimately, the conditions that make life possible. The story of Betelgeuse is far from over. It's a chapter in the ongoing saga of the universe, a reminder of both its beauty and its power. As we gaze at the night sky, now forever changed by Betelgeuse's final act, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos. We are part of a universe that is both breathtakingly beautiful and profoundly humbling. Betelgeuse's explosion is a call to action, urging us to look up, to learn, and to prepare for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. It's a moment to reflect on our shared humanity and our collective quest to understand the cosmos, a journey that began millennia ago and will continue for generations to come. But what does this mean for humanity's understanding of the universe? Betelgeuse's explosion is a stark reminder that stars are not eternal. They live, they die, and in doing so, they shape the universe around them. It demonstrates the intricate balance of creation and destruction, a cycle that began billions of years ago and continues to this day. What's particularly sobering is the role such supernovae play in the very fabric of life itself. The heavy elements released, gold, carbon, and even the calcium in our bones, are born from explosions like Betelgeuse's. As Carl Sagan famously said, "We are made of star stuff." The explosion also raises questions about how we can improve our ability to detect and prepare for similar events. While Betelgeuse was far enough away that its explosion did not directly harm Earth, it prompts scientists to think about stars that are closer to us. For instance, the binary star system WR104, located about 8,000 light-years away, could one day unleash a gamma-ray burst, a focused beam of radiation, that if aimed at Earth, would have catastrophic consequences. Events like Betelgeuse remind us that we must take the unpredictability of the cosmos seriously, both as a scientific pursuit and as a safeguard for humanity's survival. There's also the cultural and philosophical impact of Betelgeuse's explosion. Throughout human history, stars have been constant companions, guiding explorers, inspiring myths, and serving as symbols of hope and eternity. The sudden disappearance or transformation of such a familiar star forces us to confront the impermanence of everything, even the stars themselves. It challenges us to appreciate the fleeting nature of existence and to recognize the beauty in change, even when that change is violent and destructive. Looking ahead, the afterglow of Betelgeuse's supernova will be visible for years, gradually fading as the debris disperses into space. Astronomers anticipate that in the future, the remnants of this explosion will form a vibrant nebula, a glowing tapestry of gas and dust that will be studied for centuries. This nebula, enriched with heavy elements, may one day contribute to the formation of new planets, new stars, and perhaps even new forms of life. In many ways, Betelgeuse's explosion is a story of renewal as much as it is one of destruction. It reminds us that the universe is not a static place, but a dynamic, evolving system where death gives rise to new beginnings. It's a cosmic cycle that has been occurring since the dawn of time, one that will continue long after humanity is gone. But for now, as we watch the aftermath of Betelgeuse's final act unfold, we are witnesses to something extraordinary, an event that connects us to the stars in ways that are both scientific and deeply personal. Ultimately, Betelgeuse's explosion serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. It urges us to look beyond our everyday lives and to marvel at the forces that shape the universe. It challenges us to continue exploring, to continue learning, and to embrace the unknown with curiosity and wonder. As the light from Betelgeuse's supernova travels across the vast reaches of space to reach our eyes, it carries with it a message. The universe is alive, it is changing, and we are a part of its grand, unfolding story. And so, as we stand beneath the night sky, forever altered by Betelgeuse's demise, let us remember this moment. A moment when the death of a star reminded us of the beauty, the power, and the mystery of the cosmos. A moment that will inspire generations to look up, to dream, and to seek answers to the greatest questions of all. What else lies out there in the infinite expanse of the universe? What secrets are waiting to be uncovered? The explosion of Betelgeuse may be just one chapter, but the story of the cosmos has only just begun.